Hello there everyone, it's Craig here, the Mad Hatter Barber, coming at you with some an unboxing of another product. This time the product is by Wahl. Okay, anyway, let's put you right into it. They are the Wahl 5-star series finales. As you can see there they are. There you go. And what does it say on the box about these bad boys? 120 mins charge time, 80 mins run time. So it takes you longer to charge it than what you do get on the run time. Apparently they're 2 times longer life. They are lithium-ion battery. Made in the USA, you can use them either cordless or corded. They're hyperallergenic gold foils on the foils. The ultimate finishing tool, super close, bump-free results. There's the back of the box. There we go. You can see there. Alright, anyway, let's get to unboxing these bad boys. Actually, I don't even need the razor. Alright. Should have used the razor. I don't feel like the best packaging. Not the best packaging. Just like floating around. Oh, look at that. That's disgusting. Should be a lot better packaging than that. Look at that. That's disgusting by Wahl. Just, can you hear that? Just bouncing around like a basketball. Anyway, you get a nice brush. Good for getting that hair out. Oh yeah, definitely could just keep them on you. Definitely keep that brush on your bench. Good for cleaning the tool. Anyway, here is the cord. Let's open it up. And it is about about 2 meters long, the cord. Just plug it in there. Alright, let's have a look at these. Still a bit disgusted in that. You get another brush as well, just a tiny brush. You get some booklet if you like a bit of reading. Off you go. You read it and tell me all about it. Yeah, in the sink. Alright. Plastic cover. Yeah, it's not too bad. Stays on well. Clicks on, clicks off. Okay, there they are. Can you see them? There we go. I'd say they're about, at least, I'd say around 15 centimeters in height, about 7 centimeters in width, and the depth there is probably about 2 centimeters. So they're not too bad. You can hold them pretty well in your hand. You can see I don't have big hands, but you can still get a good grip around them. Oh, and they come charged. Awesome. And there's the foils. Nice gaps in the foils there, isn't they? Let's turn them on. Oh, they sound alright. They sound powerful. So they're super close. As you can see there, it says Wahl super close. Okay, it says here on the back here, removes any stubble for an ultra smooth finish. Perfect to finish bold fades. There you go. Powerful heavy duty operation. Okay, they sound powerful enough. What's this? There's a button on the side there. Let's see what it does. Oh, you can take that off. There we go. Now the casing could be a bit better. A bit more structure on it would be. Let's see. You push one in, they both go in. A little bit, feel a little flimsy, but anyway, I'll see how they are when I use them. Right. I don't know if you can see that. It'd be better if they were both separate on the top foils, not just one piece. Alright, and there's the there's the cutters. There we go. There you go. Good if there we go, get my head out of the way. There you go, there's the cutters, the blades. Let's turn them on while the top is off. Alright, let's put the cover back on. Shouldn't be too hard. Okay, you just got to press the button to put it back on. They don't just click back on. So press the button and then you put it back on. Alright, there you go. There's the sound of them. Okay, so the cutters come firmly up to the foils. Alright, there you go. There's the unboxing of these Wahl 5-star series finales. Finishing tool shavers. I hope you like them, and I'll come back to you soon with a conclusion on these bad boys. Until then, if you like the videos, please subscribe, like, hit that ding dong bell, and you'll see more of my videos. Alright, vlogs. Okay, anyway, if you're happy, your clients are happy. If your clients are happy, you're happier. Alright, take care. See you all later. Ciao. Wow.